It's time for family law litigants to be scared. And by that, I mean, our New York governor just signed into law an extension, not an extension, he increased the number of Supreme Court justices that are going to be serving on our local benches. And that is what I'm worried about. And I think I said in the last little video social I did that there's a lack of consistency in family court and matrimonial court. And because of an increase in the number of Supreme Court justices that are about to be elected this November, you have a problem. Or should we say, we have a problem, Houston, and the space shuttle is not coming back, or Richard Branson is not making it back from this one, because there's going to be a lot of unqualified, undeserving attorneys sitting making important decisions about your life. So me, and anybody else who's in New York State that has the opportunity to vote for a judge, do not listen to it where they said, I'm going to be fair, compassionate, and I'm an attorney. I mean, I'll be a judge for the people and I'll do the right thing and justice for all. It's justice for crap. Because what I want to know is whether or not the person I'm supposed to elect to sit on the bench to hear cases for myself or as an attorney be before that judge, I want to know if they're psychologically capable of being in that position. I want to know if they suffer from any mental disorders. I want to know if they had a horrendous divorce or a horrendous life experience that would affect their decisions when it comes to you or me. And that will be a make it or break it decision. In addition, we need judicial members of the judiciary that actually know what they're doing or will take the time to understand the law that's being presented to them. And one of my experiences as a matrimonial divorce attorney and also now moving into mediation is that some of the judges, they don't know what they're doing and they're making very important decisions that will affect your daily life. So be careful of who you vote for come this November, because it's extremely important. You do not listen to, I'm fair, compassionate, I'll do the right job for you. That is not enough to hear from. You better reach out to these candidates and find out, like I said, any mental disorders, any tragic life event, and whether or not they've actually practiced law, because now Brindisi, who was a congressman and sitting on the House, he now wants to become a judge. So I'm TINA BENNETT. I'm really not anybody, but I'm telling you right now, make the right choice for these judiciary candidates, or it's going to affect you, affect me, affect your kids, especially in my area of law. So that's the short of today, and good luck, everybody.